This is a Mountfield S481PD. This is a 48cm cut machine. Very popular size machine for the UK market. It comes really well spec'd. It's got a Mountfield 160cc overhead valve engine. It's a 3-in-1 machine, so it will do 3 jobs. You can collect the grass in the grass box. You can take the grass box off and rear discharge the grass. And it also comes complete with a mulching plug. Really quick and easy to fit. So now you can mulch the grass as well. Great little feature for this machine, we've got a snap-on hose connection. So all you need to do, snap on the hose, turn on the tap, start the machine up, and it will swish the water around underneath the deck, and it will keep the machine clean and tidy for you and prolong the life of the mower. So it's really smooth adjustment. It goes from 25 to 65 millimeters over 5 individual adjustments. It's got really quick, easy to fold handles just by clicking over the cam lock on both sides, and the handles will fold into its own wheelbase. So we've got a really powerful 160cc Mountfield engine. It's 4-stroke, it uses unleaded fuel, and it's a really smooth, easy to start simply by using the throttle and choke control on the top of the handles. It's a 48cm cut. It's got power drive, so the machine will pull itself along, and for 2017 it has just been awarded the Which Best Buy Award. So one of the great features on this machine is it's got a 70-litre grass collector, and on top of that it also has a full bag warning indicator on the back, so it will tell you when the bag is full of grass. As you can see, as we tilt this mower back, you can see that we've got an anti-scalp plate on the front of the machine. So this really helps with uneven lawns so that the mower doesn't dig in and catch the ground. But also you can see the fins that are also in the anti-scalp plate. And this is great for helping air go through the underneath of the machine and help with the collection of the grass.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by our Service Link helpline and 600 Service Link approved dealers across the UK and Ireland, who will be happy to carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.